Man, you've only got one life, so stop fucking wasting time and do something to sort your shit out, okay? This is the truth. You're going to die. This is life, and the ultimate is death. It's the payoff, right? So why are you wasting your time suffering? Why are you wasting this miracle thinking about some girl who doesn't give a fuck about you anymore? And you know, fine, it hurts, I get it, this is normal, okay, this is natural, you don't have to beat yourself up about that. But if you don't know how to deal with it, that's fine too. There's nothing wrong with seeking help, because there is help, and there is a way, a structured way to get yourself out of this suffering and into a positive mindset and able to enjoy this life, because it's amazing. There's so much out there, there's so much to do, there's so much adventure to have, and there's so many ways that you can help humanity. You can make money, you can realize what it is that you are here to do and what your purpose in life is. So you might as well get the fuck on with it, and utilize your talents and get over this. If let's say she's a and stop being like hard done by it, because it's all in your mind, it's all in your head, and there's a way out. And if you want to know what the way out is, then there's many options. You can visit my website. There's a website. You can book a session. You can read a book. Otherwise, you can send me an email. Easy. It's cheaper than having a session with me. There's different options, but you have to take action. Otherwise, you're just gonna mull about, wasting time, not getting on with your life, and that's that. So remember, you're gonna die, so you might as well live.